Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down to localize this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on ringtone. Here we've got the albums from which we can choose the ringtone from, and the custom option, which means that if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you'll be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. Let me choose something from the nature, for example, and here we've got pre-installed options from which you can choose. So simply tap on it and volume it down first of all and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this rainforest to be set. So just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. The same situation here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.